Good to be here with you. I'm Irvind Ghai and focused on connectivity solutions at ON Semiconductor. It's an exciting time to be in connectivity, and our solutions actually leverage the latest innovations in Wi-Fi, BLE, Zigbee. We focus on performance differentiation as demanded by our infrastructure customers, but at the same time balance it with power efficiency demanded by the client customers. ON Semiconductor, as you know, is known for its power efficient solutions, and we have leading positions in IoT, automotive, and industrial markets. Industry 4.0 is harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, big data, and cloud. And one thing that's common between all of those is that you really require connectivity to move all that information around. And that provides a big opportunity for companies like ON Semiconductor. There's a lot of debate, between Wi-Fi and 5G, but it's really not a zero-sum game. The technologies are complementary in many ways, and at ON Semiconductor, our goal is to provide the right solution for the user and the application she has in mind. 5G has had a positive impact on reshaping, the thinking of factory floor architects. In the past, what they thought would require a wide approach with all the marketing that 5G has done on low latency, reliability, they're open to using a wireless product. And I think that's good for both technologies. Yeah, that's a good question. I think it kind of goes back to the fact that the industrial floors are recognizing the benefit of replacing wired with wireless, and Wi-Fi 6E, with its inherent benefits, actually optimizes industrial IoT. If you take a look at some of those things, increased unlicensed spectrum that's opened up in many parts of the world, you have much wider 160 megahertz channels, you have less overhead management clutter, you have a rich and diverse OEM ecosystem. Just the fact that it's an unlicensed spectrum, you have all these multiple OEMs. All that leads to the fact that Wi-Fi 6E offers a very wide range of cost optimized solutions. So why is that important? It's not only the large scale manufacturers that we're all familiar with that benefit from this shift to Industry 4.0, but also the small family workshops now that can take advantage of it. It fits their profile in terms of use, but most importantly, also their checkbook. That's a good question. And, it's always a good sign when new challenges pop up. It usually means that deployments are actually ramping up in the field and folks are figuring out new ways to use products. We like that. There is an opportunity. For example, the rate of connected machine-to-machine devices right now is actually growing at a CAGR that's actually higher than the new number of humans coming online. That means if you want to make it a practical thing in an IIoT environment, headless onboarding will be key. And the way you address that, that challenge will be your differentiation. And very specific to us at ON Semiconductor, that's really what excites our team. How can we make that user experience seamless right out of the box? It's an opportunity. It's been great working with the WBA. The Wireless Broadband Alliance actually has provided that unique mix, between technical innovation, but at the same time, savvy business considerations. And your platform actually allows us the ability to contribute to, as well, shape the direction of technological advances. But at the same time, simultaneously reaching our business partners so we understand and meet their needs as well. It's been good working with you guys.